you want to get out there and do it?
Yeah, I would love to.
Come on, let's get you on.
What's your name?
Darcy Oak.
Darcy. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Are you living in the UK or are you...
I'm not, no. I came here just for this, so...
How old are you, Darcy?
I'm 26.
And what got you into the act that you're doing today?
When I was a kid, actually, I had hopes and dreams of becoming a doctor, but my parents insisted that I become a magician. So, here I am. My name is Darcy Oak. I'm 26, and I specialize in sleight of hand and illusions. I've loved magic for forever. When I was a kid, my dad was messing around with cards. I picked one, he pulled it out, and it was my card. I experienced that feeling of, like, how did you do that? And I wanted to do that to other people.
Now, say the magic words.
Abracadabra.
Oh, thank you.
I'm auditioning for Britain's Got Talent because it's the biggest talent show in the world, and I want to be performing on a global scale. And I feel that if it goes well, it can change my life. I'm going to go out on that stage, and I'm going to do what I've practiced my whole life, and hopefully they like it.
All right, wish you the best of luck.
Thank you very much.
How's he doing this? What? Shut up, man!
Darcy, I think you're the best magician I've ever seen on this show. Absolutely no idea how you did that. It's frustrating me quite a lot now thinking about it, but it was fantastic.
Darcy, Darcy, Darcy. That was absolutely fantastic, and it helps that you look fantastic as well. It does!
I think the most important thing about magic is making us believe the impossible is possible. And you just did that.
Wow, thank you.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Simon?
You are, without question, the best magician we've ever had on this show. The only thing I've got to ask you, Darcy, because I do love animals. I mean, are those birds okay?
Of course, yeah.
Okay, well, I've got to say, Darcy, you weren't corny. It was very difficult what you did. And I think that we've uncovered a star with you. I really do.
We are going to have to take a vote now. David.
Darcy, I'm going to say yes.
Amanda? Oh, absolutely without question, yes.
Yes from me. Simon?
100% yes.
The simplicity of the presentation really worked, didn't it?
If you've got it, you don't have to say anything. You just do the trick.
The best magician we've seen on Britain's Got
Thank you
Talent.
guys so much. You have no idea how much that means to me. I appreciate that so much. Whew. That was amazing.